Welcome. In front of me is a Nokia X30 and today I'll show you how we can record screen on this phone. So to get started, let's pull down our notifications and extend the list, and somewhere in between those toggles you should see a screen recording one, which for me is on the second page right over here. Now once you locate this toggle, first time around you can hold it, hopefully. I guess, nope. Holding doesn't do anything, so just press on it and this will give you the limited amount of options that you get. So we have record audio. By default it's off. You can tap on the drop down menu and select also device, microphone, both, and obviously to record any of those you need to toggle it on. And below that we have show touches on the screen, which will record semi-transparent gray dot wherever your finger pressed the display. From here we can select start. It will start a countdown from 3 and then begin recording. So whatever you'll do right now obviously will be recorded. Let's open up some app. Let's see. I'm just gonna open up Chrome as an example. There we go. So shouldn't that be like working? I guess not. Okay. Anyway, I'm just gonna stop it by pulling down the notifications and selecting stop. Now this will automatically save the screen recording into the Photos application. So I'll open it up and you can see it right here. So I believe by default we should have, yeah, we are in Photos. So it shows us movies, as you can see, and there it is. And if you have more categories, like a folder with, or not folder, but like albums, you should also see an album called movies in there, where you'll have all your screen recordings. Now when you press on it, obviously it will start playing it. So there we go. So this is how you would record your screen, and also where you can find that recording after you finished. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.